snow day?
Yeah.
Lucas, this is a snow day today?
Yeah.
Snow day.
She wants.
Lucas sabe con papi. ¿No quieres aguantar tú solito? There's the snow. So, who remembers sitting in front of the TV at like 6 o'clock in the morning, pitch black outside, and waiting to hear your school's name for like the no school closing list? I do. Now they just closed school the day before. In the morning it wasn't even snowing. I guess they're just scared of people's commutes home after school, so that's why they do it. But yeah, I remember waiting in front of the TV and just hoping, crossing your fingers and praying that your school's name would come up on the screen. That was so much fun. Anyways, look, the snow. That's the screen. If you see some like cubes. What is that? Is that a branch? No, this is what? Look. Oh my gosh. This is one of my favorite pictures. And Jose took this. I just put Lucas's little bow tie on it. I thought it was cute. So Lucas is eating with Daddy, Emily is reading, and Mom is relaxing. Mom spent the night for a snow day as well. And I'm about to go make lunch. Lucas!
I'm Colin.
Lucas, do it again. You ready? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Looks like you're ready.
Have to get ready. I have my gloves and everything. I'm ready to shovel. Shovel my dad's hat. Shovel my dad's hat.
What do you think about the snow?
I love it. But I haven't made a snow angel yet.
Alright, Mom, put on gloves. Oh, I can enganchar esto. Okay, let's go back outside. Look at this. Can't even see anything. Let's go find Emily. There she is.
How did that happen?
Maybe once I clean the snow, we can try to go make a thing down the back, Emily.
Yeah.
Maybe. Oh my God, it's the worst.
How are your fingers?
Huh?
Are the gloves any good?
Yeah, they are. But...
Let it snow. Let it snow.
I don't know.
I got all over my face. Let it snow. Got it everywhere.
Open your legs, there you go. You were supposed to stay. Do it again. But when you throw yourself, okay, go ahead. A lot. This is Mom's car. So now we have to move the cars so that we can clean out this space. But I can't see anything, so I have to wait for all of this to melt away. It's like literally frozen. I actually don't mind cleaning up as long as it doesn't happen too often. Sometimes throughout the year, like, it snows way too many times, and that's kind of annoying, but other than that, I don't really mind the snow. Hi, handsome. Is it bath time? Te vamos a bañar, ¿ya comiste? Ya, ahora te vamos a bañar. Ujú. A bañar esos pelitos.